The 2015 Hyundai i20. The Hyundai i20 was released in 2007 as a replacement for the Hyundai Getz and to fill the gap between the i10 and i30. For 2015, Hyundai ushered in a new generation of the i20, featuring a number of enhancements over the previous model. Highlights include a larger trapezoidal grille that sits higher than before, leaving room for a small lip at the bottom of the fascia, and new headlights that are connected via a small air inlet at the end of the hood. The side profile of the i20 carries on relatively unchanged, but the rear end got new taillights that wrap around the rear quarters and extend onto the rear hatch. The rear fascia also got a sportier look to round out the exterior. Overall, the i20 has a wheelbase that is 1.5 inches longer than the outgoing model, which means there is improved legroom in the front and rear. On top of that, the dashboard got a completely new layout. The i20 came available with a number of gasoline and diesel engines that range anywhere between 73 horsepower and 98 horsepower. Of course, cars in the supermini class don't get a lot of love here in the US. In fact, outside of models like the Smart Fortwo, there is almost no competition here. With that said, it should come as no surprise that the i20 isn't making it across the drink to the US. There is, however, plenty of competition in the European market, with models like the Volkswagen Polo and Ford Fiesta climbing the ranks as the rest of the world continues to indulge in the subcompact or supermini market. To see how well the new Hyundai i20 competes, check out our full review below. Continue reading to find out more about the 2015 Hyundai i20. Exterior. The new exterior is a huge step forward from the first-gen i20. Influenced by the brand's already familiar fluidic sculpture 2.0 design, the styling is bold and modern. A large trapezoidal mouth occupies most of the bumper, while a thin grille connects the headlamps together. The units, which extend into the fenders right above the wheel arches, include bifunction projection headlamps, LED daytime running lights and LED positioning lamps. A set of broad fog lamps are mounted in the lower apron, part of a third, nicely sculpted inlet that runs across the bumper. Around back, a pair of redesigned, boomerang-shaped taillights complement the reshaped tailgate and fenders. The scenario is completed by a revised bumper and a new spoiler mounted atop the tailgate. From the side, the i20 is highlighted by mildly sculpted body panels and a crisp waistline running between the headlamps and taillights. The black side moldings fitted at the base of the doors and the new set of 8-spoke alloy wheels add a touch of premium to the shell. Overall, the car's compact exterior dimensions have changed very little, as the new i20 measures 4,035 mm (158.8 inches) in length, making it only 40 mm (1.5 inches) longer than the outgoing model. Exterior dimensions. Interior. The redesigned interior boasts numerous improvements over its predecessor. The 2,570 mm (101.1 inches) wheelbase, 40 mm (1.5 inches) longer than its forerunner, translates into enhanced cabin space, and improved front and rear legroom. The Koreans even claim the i20 offers best-in-class front and rear legroom combined at 1,892 mm (74.4 inches). Luggage capacity with the rear seats upright is also claimed to lead the segment at 326 liters (11.5 cubic feet). The new cabin is also a significant departure from the previous model. Although the dashboard still looks plasticky, drivers will enjoy a completely new layout. The unit incorporating the A, C and radio controls sits further above the center console, which is also new and features new buttons and switches. There's also a new steering wheels and instrument cluster, as well as redesigned door panels with easier-to-use buttons. Though there's nothing too fancy about the new interior, the i20 does benefits from a class-exclusive panoramic sunroof. Available as an option, the sunroof covers more than half the roof, a feat that can't be had from Ford, Volkswagen or Renault. A rear-view camera and front and rear LED lighting are also available on the brand-new Supermini, along with a wide array of high-tech and comfort-enhancing features. Interior dimensions. Drivetrain. Much like its predecessor, the second-generation i20 is available with a wide array of gasoline and diesel drivetrains. The Petrol Range begins with a 1.2-liter four-cylinder rated at 73 horsepower and 89 pound-feet of torque. These figures come with a 0 to 62 mph sprint of 13.6 seconds and a top speed of 99 miles per hour. The exact same engine can be ordered with 82 horses, which improves 0 to 62 mph sprints by a half second and top speed by 6 miles per hour. The third gasoline engine is a 1.4-liter four-banger generating 98 horsepower and 98 pound-feet. When equipped with the manual, this version sprints to 62 miles per hour in 11.6 seconds and up to 114 miles per hour. The automatic model is slower, needing 13.2 ticks to hit 62 miles per hour. Top speed sits at 105 miles per hour. On the diesel front, customers also get three options. First up is the 1.1-liter three-pot with 73 horses and 132 pound-feet of twist. If you thought the base gasoline model was slow, then you should know this one takes 16 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour. The same engine is available with Blue Drive technology, which makes it about 40% more fuel efficient in the city. Power rating are the same. More oomph comes from the range-topping 1.4-liter four-pot, which delivers 88 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. This model needs 12.1 seconds to hit 62 miles per hour on its way to a top speed of 108 miles per hour. Drivetrain Specifications, petrol engines. Drivetrain Specifications, diesel engines. Safety. Also upgraded in the safety department, the new i20 comes with 6 airbags, front side, and full-length curtain, child seat anchors, lane departure warning, vehicle stability management, electronic stability program, anti-lock brakes, and hill start assist. Prices. Pricing for the i20 starts from £10,995, about $17,070, for which you get the least powerful gasoline version. The diesel range retails from £12,745, around $19,790. At the other end of the lineup, the 1.4 gasoline model with the automatic transmission costs £17,200, about $26,720 before options, while the range-topping diesel model fetches at least £17,700, around $27,460. UK prices. Competitors. 2015 Volkswagen Polo. The Volkswagen Polo is currently one of the best-selling superminis in Europe and one of the most important competitors to the Hyundai i20. Available with a bevy of gasoline and diesel engines, the Polo can be both a fuel-sipping compact and a nippy city ride. In its mildest trim, the small hatch benefits from a 1.0-liter three-cylinder that generates 59 horsepower and 70 pound-feet of torque. At the other side of the lineup lies a 1.4-liter TSI that delivers no less than 148 ponies. A powerful 1.4-liter TDI oil burner with 89 horses and 170 pound-feet on tap is also up for grabs. Like most Volkswagens, the Polo comes with the latest in terms of convenience and safety features, outgunning most of its rivals. That's why the Polo is also more expensive compared to its competitors, with a sticker sitting at £11,100, about $17,220 in Britain. The range-topping model begins from £17,710, around $27,480. Read our full review here. 2014 Ford Fiesta. Also available in the United States, the Fiesta is a hot seller in Europe too. Unlike the US spec hatch, the European Fiesta can be had in two body styles, with 3- and 5-door, respectively. No less than 5 engines are available on most markets, including the naturally aspirated 1.6-liter four-banger, the 1.0-liter EcoBoost, and the 1.5-liter TDCi diesel. Output ranges from the 79 ponies churned by the 1.0-liter three-pot to the 123 horses cranked out by the turbocharged, 1.0-liter EcoBoost. The 1.6-liter four-cylinder generates 104 horsepower, while the 1.5-liter diesel is rated at only 74 ponies. Available in numerous trim levels, the 2014 Ford Fiesta retails from £9,995 (about $15,510) in the United Kingdom. The sticker increases to £16,145 (around $25,050) once the Titanium X trim is selected and blows past the £17,250 (about $26,765) mark for the high-performance street version. Read our full review here. Conclusion. Granted, the i20 sees notable improvements as far as exterior styling and interior amenities go. With vehicles such as the Ford Fiesta and the Volkswagen Polo highly popular in Europe, the redesigned Hyundai i20 will have a hard time establishing itself as a worthy competitor, and it remains to be seen whether it will succeed or not. However, the second-generation model stands a better chance at bringing new customers into Hyundai dealerships than its dated predecessor. Love it attractive exterior styling, redesigned interior with enhanced comfort, improved drivetrains. Leave it tough competition, need more fuel-efficient engines.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.